What's up, you butts? Welcome to episode 2. You know what they say, two's time is the charm. Making the food in the nude. No, please don't be naked. That's weird and illegal. Making the food. Grab some lube. No, why would you need fucking lube? Sorry, guys, just enjoy this. Today, we're doing a French classique. Pomme Dolphin noise. Pommes Doff Noir. Let's talk ingredients. Now, look, there's a 50-50 chance that you probably have all of this in your pantry already, but there's a 100% certainty that I don't know how statistics work. Okay, obviously, you need the pommes, because without that, it's just Duff Noir. Know what I mean? I'm feeling fancy, so I'm using shallots, but you can use an onion too. Make sure you flick it like I just did. Flick your shallots 2020. A little garlic, of course, and I guess today we do got time for that. A bay leaf for that background spice note, and these nutmeg. Cheese is integral, guys. You need a flavorer and a melter. In my case, my Comte is my melter, and my Parmesan is my flavorer. Okay, you need cream, guys, all right? And I don't know if rice, cashew, almond, oat, flax, hemp, any of those types of milk will work. This is just good old fashioned cow boob milk. Potato. Okay, so let's get this quickly out of the way. From my understanding, a Yukon Gold or a Russet would work the best. I unfortunately could not find either of those. So this is something that they labeled the Lebanese potato. So let's hope it comes through. So just sort of mediocrely running it under water doesn't do it. Okay, you really gotta get in there and scrub these because dem alus is dirty. Grab a clean tea towel and then really go to town on it. Scrub it like it's your child. Is that a saying? That doesn't sound right. Scrub it like your child. Ugh. So let's talk equipment. This is a Japanese mandolin. All it is a stationary blade with this adjustable plate. Okay, you slide the food across it and it slices it at a uniform length. You can adjust the thickness with this screw dial thing at the bottom. If you don't have this, then don't do this recipe because you're a dumbhead. Nice. Oh no, Barrett, we can't see what you're doing. Wow. Transition time. Take your time with this, guys. Don't be jealous because you can't go as fast as me. Don't hate me because you are not me, okay? Okay, aromatics. This is basically everything that you're going to steep your cream in, okay? So you're going to flavor your cream. Ew, cream. Onions, shallots. You probably know how to peel an onion, which is why I purposely did it off camera and it was on purpose. So moving on, being on purpose. Just a rough chop on these, but you can also just cut it in half. But it just depends on the amount of flavor it's going to leach into the cream. Whoa, what's going on here? Oh no, going backwards by itself. Okay, so the garlic, just give it a quick little hand job like that and grab 3 cloves from it. Okay, so to peel the garlic is pretty straightforward. Using the widest part of your knife, just give it one good whack under the knife, and hold on. One good whack. One good whack. Fuck, come on. Perfect. Easy as that. See, all it took was one whack. I was gonna do a voiceover for this part, but I think you'll see why I didn't. Ladies, you're welcome. Swing, swing, swing the sunny stars. You wear those shoes and I wear that dress. There you go. Obviously, if you have peeled nutmeg already, you can just use that and save this step. Cream. For this next section, here's some sweet ASMR. ASMR stands for auto sexy, making a real. Bring it to a simmer for about a minute or a minute and a half and take it off the heat. Once it's rested, you need to strain it. And so grab your pourer instrument of choice. This is a Moomin pourer. I'm not sure what a Moomin is, but it's a this. To get all of it out, strain it. Grab a ladle and use the back of it to push it. Push it real good. Ah. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost at the climax. Thank you for climaxing with me. So drop a touch of cream at the bottom. It's probably better if you warm it up because it needs to come up to temp anyway, and it'll save you time when you put it in the oven. I stole this method of preparation from Bon Appetit, the way they shingle it. So just shingle your way down. Hey guys, what was Sean Connery when he got divorced? Shingle. And then once that's done, get ready to cream. Sorry, that's not what I meant. Or is it? Bow chicka wow wow. Bow chicka wow wows. So once that's done, cover it tightly in foil and have your oven preheated to 190 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius. And it should go in for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes. It really depends on your oven as well. What you're looking for is for it to be cooked 90% of the way. Once you pull it out after the first stint in the oven, you can take the foil off, and now's when you put down your cheese. So put down a melty Comté first and then top it off with the Parmesan and have your broiler ready to go at this point. I'd put it at about medium high. Just remember, if something looks off about this, if you feel like there's too much cream, not enough cream, it's most likely your fault. So blame yourself. And under the broiler it goes for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the strength of your broiler. Is this recipe the Powerpuff Girls? Because I see some bubbles. I hope your VPN is turned on, because it's about to get sexy in here. Make it for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your spouse, whoever, or if you're single. Haha. As you've probably noticed, the shingles sort of fell apart and they just sort of slid on top of each other. Still looks good though. Make sure that you absolutely do not slice it as soon as it comes out of the oven, no matter how eager you might be to eat it. Let it rest for at least a half an hour, and then you'll get these like layers that you see here. And that's it from me, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And as my mom always says, ya yeet.